Hi, good day, M6067. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, Sir, Madam. Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Mergil Paglianyanga, born July 12, 1986. I'm 39 years of age. I'm from Lourdes, Minaling, Pampanga. My, I'm married to Rodolfo Yanga. I am Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I have four kids, two boy and two girls. One 17 boy, 12 years old girl, 5 years old girl, and 4 years old boy. My, my My duties and responsibilities are they taking care of child, taking care of children, taking of baby, taking of elderly, cleaning the house, ironing, washing, marketing, and gardening.
Okay.
I have three experience work in Philippines. Are they first my experience is work uh, taking care of newborn and 8 years old boy, and also I do the household chores. And the second one is last 2014 and 2016 I served a couple. Also I take care of newborn and 8 years old and 7 years old boy. And the last my previous is last January 2023 until November 2025. Also taking care of newborn and taking care of children 7 8
November
years old.
or I think April.
Yeah. Sorry. January 2023 until April 2025.
Okay. You also serve a newborn. So
Yes,
you
sir.
have a lot of experience taking care of a newborn baby since on your first employer until to the last,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, and I will check also the stomach if the baby is hungry, and I will check the diaper is full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will call the employer if what can I do
Okay, to
to
the
the
baby.
baby? Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is the safest country and the highest salary, and of course for the future of my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long my employee she need me.
So it is okay to extend it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't know, sir, because I'm first time, but I'm willing to learn
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
by the YouTube or book.
Okay, so cooking book like
Yes,
that.
cooking books,
And
sir.
also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, don't be shy to ask them if they could teach you how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employee in Hong Kong, please hire me because I'm hardworking, trusty, polite, and kindness. Thank you, sir, madam.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Mary Jane. Thank you.
Thank you.